Shemai Croesio, welcome to MANvFAT, Casnowed, MANvFAT Newport. Early kick-off game, Club Tropicana in pink against Transporter Refrigerators in the horrendous Bristol Rovers looking kit. The worst Bristol Rovers kit I've ever seen in my life. I'm not going to stick around too long. I'm going to pass you over to Sam, is it?
Sam, yeah.
Sam from Just Stop Olive Oil to commentate for you in this fixture. It's quite a strong Fridge Raiders lineup with Dario back, Jandali back as well. But no original. Who's the original? Perkins. No Perkins in goal. It's a nightmare down in this corner. The Lord John Fryer himself wins the ball. Dario will clean that up. Back to the Triple J. Joe Jackson Jones. That's one for you to remember. So I'll start the timer. Yeah. So you don't need to touch that. So when it's a goal for Tropicana there, Fridge Raiders there. Yep. And then it's just a case of the full-time whistle. Just say thank you, see you next time. And then just press the stop button there. Right. And then just turn it sideways like that to bring it out the fence. Apologies on that. Just showing Sam the ropes, and I'm going to leave you in his capable hands. So there you go, Sam.
This will be interesting now. I don't know many of the names, so bear with me. Ball with the keeper. What time? Right.
You'll lose the kick.
No.
I'm back already. I missed you all.
Got his can. Oh, he's going through. Good deflection.
I tell you what works well with them. What works well is if you tell them a couple of jokes during the game.
Oh no, we're not having that.
See how many likes you get. If you're ever struggling, that's Craigy's about.
He's gone through. He's going to have a good shot. I think that's the first shot of the game. Bring the ball out, Mikey. Good football. Lucky deflection. Good defending in the end. Rebuild, slightly isolated. Decent ball, well defended. As you can see, I've been abandoned. No one from my team decided to come join me. Decent shot. Good stop. So you've got a one-man commentary booth today. Well intercepted, back to the keeper. Nice and calm. And they'll build again. Decent hold up. Good turn on the ball. Lucky. And it's played back to rebuild, start again. Good ball over. In the corner looking for options, he's got support back. Is he going to have a shoot? Oh, he's past the centre, that's a good effort. Oh, it's a lovely touch. Oh, what a goal. 1-0. Transporter Fridges. Transporter Fridges. So that's 1-0. And then straight back off. Oh, and it's almost an immediate reply. Cannoned off. Showing they don't take that too lightly. Woken them up now, have we? Mikey on the ball. I hope I caught that goal as well, because it was a fucking good finish. Push it forward with the ball. Good interception.
Go on again.
Nice and close there for us.
Go back if you need to play safe.
Good ball back to the keeper. See if they can keep this up. Oh, it's been nicked. Well defended there. It's a good knock pass. Can he get on the end of it? He does. That's well done. Good hold up. Good hold up play. Free kick. Yep, free kick to Transporter Fridge. That's what it's down as. Waiting for the free kick. Doing his latest. Oh, good idea. See if they can build up now. It's down in the corner. It's a good touch. Good old. When in doubt, get it out. Nice and calm. Back to the keeper. Decent play. As I'm being joined by Dan Saunders, not from my team, no one from my team still, but
Nah, I think that's
a secondary one.
He's left on your loan to me, isn't it? Great battling. Over to Mikey. Oh.
Cannon dime there. And
Safe,
we'll rebuild,
you
nice
have
and
to keep
calm.
the rope. You go. Oh, bish. No. Good
Decent ball into straight there. Good ball back.
Oh. Yeah. 2-on-2.
Good block, and that is gone. That is
to any student of
game
our
one,
school
ball one gone. Fair enough.
group. That's above the boards, bish. And that's at the box, bish.
Straight ball forward. Good. Side
I'm
net.
going to say that. Billy Jackson.
Back to keeper, nice and calm.
Playing for the. Is it still 1-0?
1-1. 1-0 even.
To who?
Refrigerators. I say refrigerators, transport refrigerators.
Already holding out for the win.
Well intercepted. Well won back.
Oh,
It's a good ball up there. It's a good chance. Oh, he's had a shot. He's had a go.
First
37 minutes. We making any subs? Oh, swapping up goalkeeper.
Swapping the keeper. Don't know if you heard that by Billy. He's trying to get Mikey sent off his game. Billy do it. Can Billy do it? No, he's straight with you back.
Well covered.
It's a nice play on the side here. And here it comes again, holding out for the window. Nice. Oh, good
Oh,
turn.
it was unlucky that was. It was good battling.
Ooh,
Just palmed out, saved.
safety dealt with by the keeper.
Good defending there. And back to the keeper. Good defending there. Looking for that clean sheet.
Oh, nice switch up
Off a
here.
good ball over.
No, not a bad touch from Billy.
Good feet to get out of there.
Oh, some nice play here. Mikey.
Good block.
Ooh.
Chipped it up to the keeper. All right, all right. Oh, that's a good save. Mikey with a good touch.
Great block. They can't get it away though.
It's getting a bit tight here. A bit dicey. Good
Can
ball.
you get a shot away? Great
Good save again.
Keeper's on fire.
It's getting peppered here. He's up to the task.
Great touch. I'm lucky. I get a nice idea that was.
Oh, he's a
here we
good
go.
ball through.
Route 1 football. I love it.
It's in the corner.
Oh, I'm lucky with that pass.
On the counter attack now.
Great block again. Oh, and a nice little pass back. I love it. Come on, Bill.
A lot of defending to do here for
Oh,
the
ball roll.
Blackburns. they're doing it well so far.
Great defending here. I think that was a nutmeg on Billy Jackson there, I'm not going to lie to you.
And here's the man himself.
Yeah.
Here's a sub happening for someone. Try and get over Billy, but
There's someone
he's
poking out the bottom of Billy Jackson's shot.
making some sort of sub. Not sure what's happening. Yeah, there we go. Get some vision.
Ren coming off.
Here he is, Starman. Hopefully.
Safety calls. Down the line. Oh, nice little ball.
Great ball down the line.
Overload on the left hand side. Well, there's 3 men over. Safe back keeper. Ah, he took the turn. Good switch. Some nice passing play. Can he get that?
Dragged it wide.
And a lot of shots, but not a lot of long range distance shots.
Yeah, not really cutting them open so far.
Yeah.
Defence holding up.
Oh,
Won the ball back.
nice.
Billy with time.
One. Ooh, on target.
You know what they say, don't buy a ticket,
Yeah.
don't win the raffle.
Oh, I love that.
Good block.
Hold on, here. Again, one more. Oh, nice feet.
Decently defended to push him away.
Yeah, so you can,
Another save.
that's got to be his 5th or 6th already, this quarter.
And another one.
They all count, look, they all count. Straight down the line there. Oh, no.
Ooh,
Putting
that'll
his
do.
face on the line for the club.
Goalkeeper now starting to shout instructions, trying to get his team up.
If in doubt, get it out. Oh, there we go.
Josh, switch!
Mikey and Mark on the wing. I think Billy's
Good block.
over.
Good to Billy.
Safe home.
Oh, space for a
Go
shot.
on, eh? You keep doing that. Oh, brilliant tackle.
Shooting's just not quite coming off at the minute for them.
Brilliant defending, Billy, yeah.
It's a good battle there. Good cover into that.
Vicious, let that go.
No drama in the end. Ooh, it's a good touch.
Great dragging back. Big ball, top,
Ping.
can you control it?
Holding it up.
Great from Chandler.
Pass back to the goalkeeper.
Looking good for a clean sheet at the minute. Brilliant.
Approaching half time. They'll be happy with this, I would imagine. A clean
Oh,
sheet.
knocky off the boards though. Great tackling there.
Defensively,
Good switch.
solid
Great
here
touch from
today.
Chandler here.
Oh, it's a cheeky back heel. Will he get to it? He will.
Oh, that's
Oh.
his legs as well. Oh, this is brilliant.
Good play. Oh, some good play there.
Billy's home.
That's a good turn.
Great
Some
bit
good
of
work
play
there,
from
yeah.
the Raiders. That's above the boards, Bish.
Half time.
Billy
He's
was about to
fuming.
cross in, and Rabona in top corner.
You wanted how that was going to go?
Yeah, outside the boot Travella.
Oh, he's denying us now. So you're going to have to do that.
I'm pretty sure kicking the ball away is yellow card now in today's game. Yeah.
Transport of fridges. Transport of fridges.
Yeah. I don't think that's the actual name.
We're making any subs? I believe we are.
Yeah.
Is that Ash coming on?
Paul Hill. Yeah, Paul Hill's coming on.
So Paul Hill and Ash coming on there.
Ash coming on, yeah.
Hopefully Ash-
Ginger Firmino. Based on the shirt he wears on Wednesday.
Hopefully he does not get an injury in this game, because I believe he's the borrow for mine next, so this will be a good warm-up for him. But 1-0 at half-time. Defending very strongly.
The keeper was on fire.
Well, they have. Now coming up. See if he can do it on the other end of the pitch.
He just wanted to make sure he ended the game with a clean sheet.
Second half.
And they've changed keeper again. Tropicana, is it Tropicana?
Yeah. New keeper every quarter maybe?
Good pass back.
Not sure who their regular keeper is.
Oh, brilliant cutting through.
Nice interchange. Got plenty of time. Time wasting already?
Playing for the win here. Oh, look at that little ball roll.
Knows what he's doing.
Oh no, the keeper was giving a straight run.
Counters
Quick
off.
fast break.
Oh, it's a shot. It's going anywhere? No, settles behind the knuckle.
Questionable shout from the player there. Great switch of play though. To Mikey can make it happen. Oh, good pass inside and left.
Always got loose, but he'll get
Still
there.
worked out though.
Plenty of time.
Oh, brilliant.
Ball in the middle.
Good tackle.
Good tackle. Nice and calm in the corner. He's pinged on. Oh, it's a good head down.
Oh, they have an elbow there. Is John okay? That's the main question.
John's not a cheat.
Little needle there from Billy there.
The scent coming from Billy Jackson here. Then another road side. I like the idea. I saw what's happening. Time here for Billy.
Line, one back.
Good battling though. Straight back and keep it, I think. Not much happened this quarter. It's all a bit stop.
Yeah.
A lot of the ball in this corner.
Just the way transporters seem to like it at the minute.
Yeah.
Their clean sheet, quite happy, defensively solid.
Fridge Raiders bringing pure Simeone football to goal centre, I think, tonight.
It's a good ball to the middle.
Nice, a lovely passing play tonight. Just not being able to get it in the final third. Ooh, very
call that a good.
Calculated pass from the defender there.
Did the job. That's all that matters.
Oh,
It's a decent. Oh, and it's in the equaliser.
Judgment.
That's 1-1.
I think Raiders can have to change their game plan now.
Come on, lads. Heads up. Come on, let's go down.
Both boys trying to get themselves riled up.
That's a
Good
great
pass forward.
Off there.
It's a good pass
Well, there
down.
are some options. Back post cross, he's got some time.
Good football.
Oh, very unlucky there. Great pass. Some calls for it inside the box there. And now it's above the board. That'll be an indirect free kick. This is where Billy Roberto Carlos Jackson comes into play here.
Oh. Good idea. Good ball across. Strong in.
I have just been assaulted.
Ed, man on!
Decent save. Just calming it down a bit.
Good first down the boards.
Mars got it.
Good pressing from Josh here. Ooh,
That
looks
does not
painful.
look good.
I believe that's what we call the curse of the commentator.
Hey, you're a commentator. Is that a hamstring or is he alright?
Clean challenge, just unlucky with that. What a trooper.
We carry on for now. Back we go.
Nice little turn there.
Ooh. Ball's down, he's going to get there. Just got it before him.
Good pressing. Gotta get back to keep it, gotta make it safe. There you go, easy.
Nice and calm.
Loads of time here.
1-1 now, they got a bit more time. Pick their passes.
Good defending though. Bit unlucky here though with the deflections.
Oh, that's a good ball. Oh, it's a good save. That's in the box. Last up, see what's happening here. Is Ash going to stay on? Looks like he is. Maybe he's shaking it off. So we're going into the last quarter, 1-1. Competitive game.
And Billy Jackson is going in goals. Can't say I've ever seen him go in net.
See how this goes on.
And then they changed for Tropicana. Josh Powell's going in goals.
It's not the goalkeeper. Different goalkeeper every quarter. Can't be fairer than that.
Some technical difficulties here with Billy and his gloves.
Technical difficulties or tactics to stall the game, who knows?
Yeah. I did quote him saying pure semi-only football. So. Ball out with the Paul. Great from Paul, yeah.
Oh, still going. What a lovely pass.
Great bit of play there from Paul.
Ash going down.
Good bit of play. Can they get the back post? Don't need to.
That's a good ball. He's got time. Ooh, unlucky. Got on him. See if they can make all this possessions pay now in the final quarter. It's a good ball over. Well blocked.
Great day from Paul.
Good. Good defending that.
Oh, left in is coming through.
Ooh.
They're lucky that ball didn't pop.
No salt at all from the co-commentator.
I was shooting for the bomb corner.
It's a good ball. Oh, he's going to latch onto. Oh, it's good feet. Good hands from the goalkeeper.
I'm expecting to do a Jordan Pickford soon, get on his knees. Can he find his man on the ring?
It's a nice ball. Good touch. Oh.
Well fought. Oh. Could work. Oh, unlucky. Nice
Good spray out loud.
Very compact though now, Raiders. Can they find a way through?
Some good dribbling. Ooh, and off the bar. Some good feet work there.
Can they find it? Oh!
Oh. Just to manage to survive the scare.
Oh, unlucky.
You see the intention there.
End-to-end stuff there. This is the time. A bit open.
Ah, there it is. 2-1. They've come back.
Hard fought goal, that is. Hope Billy's okay. I think he dived into the post there.
Seem to have taken a knock. Do you want to finish this up so I can go play football again?
Yeah.
Remember, it's fine.
Yeah. Sam's leaving to go get ready for his match. 3 minutes of game left. Can Raiders get 1 goal back? Great battle in there. Tropicana come out on top. Can they get a third? Off the post. Safely back to the keeper. Good free pass from Billy. Paul with some time here. Unlucky with that pass. Big ball up long. Safely dealt with by John. Bit of a speculative shot there, but not the worst shot I've seen. And again, line. Break here from Tropicana. Can he get it in? Great save from Billy. Mesmerising run to the middle there. Good pass from Paul. Great turn from Ash. Can he go all the way? Oh, great challenge. Mike with the ball yet. Ooh. And there's the third. Brilliant finish from Mikey. Nothing Billy could do there. Kick off again. Big pass home to John. You found the pass? Ooh, great defending there. Ooh, nice little turn. Great save, Billy. Can't be long enough now. I think about a minute left. Good battling from Paul here. Good pass back in the middle. And that is the fourth. Mikey and Billy having some words there. And that is full time, 4-1 to Club Tropicana. Great game from both teams. Cheers.